Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the mini projector. It's a VL or WLAN 5G Bluetooth projector. By Glisogo with a native solution of 1080p HD, baby. Wow, it's a nice video projector with 6,000 lumens, and it's possible to project your picture, your video, everything what you want, on up onto 300 inches. Whoa, that's awesome. That's really big. Compatible with phone, television stick, personal computer, USB, PlayStation, Xbox, DVD, Switch, what you like. Every console which contains or gets an HDMI port can play on this device here. That's really cool. A video projector is an image projector and a video projector that receives a video signal and projects the corresponding image on the projection screen using a LAN system. The video projector uses a very bright, ultra high performance lamp. In this case, it's an LED. Yeah, that's really cool because it is not so hot than the older versions, but it's awesome quality. It's nice and it's so easy because you have to switch it on. You have to adjust it a little bit because of the brightness level. Then position it up and down, and left and right, front, and, as you like, and then you can adjust the picture itself. And if you find the right solution for it, you can have a big screen on your wall like here. That's really cool. It's perfect for watching movies, for example. The Glisogo projector upgraded with 6,000 lumens brightness, 10,000 to 1 high contrast, and a native 1920 to 1080, equipped with a HDMI or USB, VGA, and AV interfaces, including but not limited to television sticks, boxes, PlayStations, Xboxes. What every HDMI console can play with that thing here. Really cool. Personal computers, iOS and Android smartphones, and of course laptops, DVD players, TF cards and U-discs, external speakers, etc., etc., etc. It's always suitable with screen size. The 300-inch projection screen provides an impressive viewing experience that is suitable for watching movies, games, and sports competitions. Adjustable trapezoidal distortion and zoom to achieve a projection size of 50 up to 300 inches with a distance from 1.5 meter up to 5 meter. That means if you reach the 5 meter, you can project a 300-inch picture on the screen or on the wall. With the zoom function, we can reduce the image size from 100% to 50 with remote control without moving the projector. The latest connection technology are included 5G and 2.4G Wi-Fi connection for iOS and Android. It's really easy. You can pair it easily, as you can see, because there's a Wi-Fi signal, and you dock or you pair with that Wi-Fi, and then you can use easily to get the image or the movie or whatever on the screen by using the wireless function. Awesome. Really cool. That's AirPlay easily. Oh yeah. Awesome. I like it. Detailed reflective design. The lower noise level and more durable than the previous model thanks to the smart eco cooling technology and the 2-speed regulation fans. The dustproof motor prevents dust from entering. The dustproof motor prevents easily that no dust is coming to it. That's awesome. That's really cool because this is nearly dust free. And this device and the falling onto the lens, if there is a little bit on the lens, you can clean it easily by using a wipe around, okay? Ensure the clarity and the brightness of the images. There's a removable dust filter on the back of the projector, which can be easily removed for cleaning. And sophisticated services is on board on this device here. Yeah, they prevent a carry bag for a good shopping experience. That's cool. I like it. But it's so good. I don't know why you send it back. It's really cool. On the device itself, we have a control panel. This control panel is for the button use, if you like. Okay. Then we have a keystone correction to make a keystone correction, of course, and the manual focus. This makes a good, awesome image on your wall. On the control panel, we have the manual button, a source button, indicator light, a power button, a return button, and of course, the navigation buttons and the OK for enter. Then we have the possibilities on the bottom sides. The support base is to adjust the height of it. You can screw it into position and then tilt it a little bit. Or you use a tripod stand. That's possible too. There are a speaker on the bottom side. The adjustable support base can assure the maximum projection angle by 15 degrees. The best display effect will be obtained by a projection angle range between 0 and 8 degrees. Okay, so you have to look. Maybe you will get it on a desk or something, and then the best viewing angle is 0 degrees, okay? On the front side, we have an IR receiver for the remote control, and of course the LAN system. On the left side, we have a power socket to get the power into the device. On the right side, we have HDMI 1 port, HDMI 2 port. That means you can attach two, for example, consoles onto it and switch between them. We have a headphone jack, 3.5 millimeters, an AV port, and two USB ports for storage, and use it with that projector. Then, on the rear view, we have an IR receiver too, an analog television port. This is an optional function, of course. Not all of them support that. A ventilation window, and this we can take away to clean easily. And VGA port for your computer monitor, for your computer screen. And we have a remote control. On the remote control, we have the power button, a mute button, a forward, a home button or a play button, a backward, and of course the arrow keys to navigate, and an enter button, of course. Then we can choose the source. The source can be a phone, wireless LAN, Wi-Fi network, or the HDMI ports, USB ports, AV ports, whatever. Then we have a menu button to come back to the menu, and a return button. The voice, plus and minus, that means volume up, volume down. While using the remote control, we have to point it toward the IR receiver, but this works really good. If we are going to use 16 to 9, okay, 50 inches is in the range 1.52 meters. If you like 72 inches on your wall, then go 2.15 meter, and then it comes 100 inches, nearly 3 meters, and 120 inches, 3.48, as well, etc., up to 300 inches. This is 5 meters. And if this range is reached, you have 300 inches. The image size depends on the distance between the projector and the screen. There may be 3% deviations among both these data, okay? Different settings cause various distances. And it's really easy. We have to before we starting up the projection, we have to get it. We keep the projector vertical with projector screen, and we keep it on the same level if it's necessary. And then we can connect the power supply into it easily. The pictures are only not only pictures are on the screen. You can make movies. You can make you can make a mirroring of your computer, for example. You can use as you like. There are so many options in it. Then we have to press the power button or the remote power button, and then it goes up. It will start easily. Okay, we have adjusted a little bit to bring the right sharpness into it by rotating on the wheels in the front side. And if we get done with that, we have a good and awesome color picture and movies, and the sound is good too. Everything is good here. And then we can choose the source button. Then we can choose ATV, AV, PC, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, USB 1 or USB 2, as you like. That's what it can give to you. The HDMI connection is, I think, is the best way. If you're going to, it supports the most devices with HDMI slots. Okay, then we enter the cable via the HDMI cable to the laptop or the console or other devices, and then we can choose the source and have fun with it easily. The AV cables are connection to an AV source. Then we can have fun with an AV source of them. And an audio connection is possible too. If the speakers are not good for you, you can connect another speaker by the AV port. And the these speakers will have more bass, more power as you like. No? And the other way is we connect to the Wi-Fi network, or we use the MHL cable, that means HDMI plus an USB cable, and we can connect by using a cable to our smartphone. And of course, the other thing is a digital AV adapter, supports iPhone, iPad onto it, and then we can connect via an HDMI cable. It's easier, yeah. It supports JPEG, PNG, bitmap, MPO, no problem. MPEG 1, MPEG 2, LPCM, MP3. It doesn't not support Dolby AC3, AAC, DTS, WMA, DI-IVX, VC1, etc. Okay, in audio. Then MPEG 1, MPEG 2, I told you, H263, H264, AVS, VC1, MJPEG, RV30, RV40, and HEVC. These video formats are possible to connect with it. It does not support MSVPC, CRAM, MP42, GMC, IV32, RLE, CVID, RV20, DVX, RM, RMVB, VC1, and FLV. But these data are only if you are going to use a USB connection with it. If you make an screen mirroring, that doesn't care, because your device will get the information onto the mini projector, and that's cool. 70 watts, 6000 lumens, remote control or wire by pushing on top of it. It's easy and it's really good, and it looks really cool if you have this in your home cinema area. This is the awesome Glisogo mini projector. Wi-Fi, 5G Bluetooth projector with a native solution 1080p video projector with 6000 lumens and 300 inches of range is possible. It's compatible with phone, television sticks, personal computers, USB, PlayStation, as seen here, Xbox, the new Xbox, no problem for it, DVD players, and. That's cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. and clean the lens often. Yeah. Soon.